Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here various types of heterocyclic compound is given. One is a 5-member ring system, another is 3-member, another is pyridine, another is pyrrole. Here you have to arrange all 4 compounds by pKa values. Here normally the pKa is decided by electron donating ability. Easy the donation of electron lone pair. It will be good base. It will have higher pKa. Here the important thing is question are in the pKa. Here sp3 carbon is a good donor because of the hybridization. sp2 are poor donor. So obviously sp3 carbon comes first. 5-member comes first because it don't have any trouble. But if you look at the B, it's in the strain system. Strain system has high percentage of S character. More the S character, it will be more electronegative, so electron withdrawing. If you think between C and D, D the lone pair involved in the delocalization, it won't give the electron at all. Otherwise you lose the aromaticity to gain the basicity. So pyrrole will come least, reduced pyrrole will come first. Here the concept you have to learn here is easy the donation of lone pair, higher will be the pKa value. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.